Okay, so children, we are going to weigh sodium hydroxide and sodium carbonate standard solution. So I think you all can see that the two standard flask, 100 ml standard flask with the funnel is ready, and we need to keep the balance reading as 0 initially. So we need to keep the initial reading. We have kept the watch glass and we are making the reading. So can you see the reading now? Hope you can see the reading. So first chemical which we are going to take the reading is sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is hygroscopic in nature. We need 0.5 gram. We need 0.5 gram. So addition of sodium hydroxide will be available in the form of pellets. This is available in the form of pellets. So this is our lab assistant Munyappa Anna helping us in preparing sodium hydroxide chemical. So Anna is just dropping the pellets. So can you see the reading now? It is 0.47. So how much we require? We need 0.5 as the reading. So we need a very small pellet. So once we take the weight in the watch glass, we will be dropping it in the funnel. Then we will be washing using wash bottles. Okay, a small amount to be added. Hope you all can see the reading. It is 0.5. So we have taken 0.5 gram of sodium hydroxide, which is available in the pellet form. Now what I am going to do, you can see I am just going to drop the sodium hydroxide pellets in funnel to a standard flask. Anna, can you pour little water, Anna? There only. So we need to wash the stop glass with a little amount of water. So now whatever the particles sticking to it is washed off. So can you see the volume? You can see the volume. So Anna is pouring little amount of water so that any particles sticking to the funnel will be washed properly. There is one pellet which is sticking in the stem of the funnel. So he is just trying to pour it down. One pellet is still there. One pellet is still there. It is stuck there. So we need to just tap it, or we need to push it by means of. So we need to push it by means of glass rod. He is pushing it down by means of glass rod, and let us pour some amount of water to it. So any particles which is sticking in the funnel will be washed away. So till here we no need to trouble much because we didn't reach the mark here. So till here we can pour water generously, nicely, after which we can make use of pipette, okay, so that we will be reaching this approximate mark, this mark. Can you see the mark? So I need to pour water till here. Since it is colored solution, so funnel is washed very well. So now I need to pour water till this mark with the help of a pipette. With the help of a pipette we will be pouring water. Can you pour, Anna? So he is experienced, so out of that he is just trying to pour water till the mark. Okay, we can stop here. We can stop. Since it is colored solution, we are supposed to see the lower meniscus mark here. Okay, we have to see the lower meniscus mark here. For colorless solution, it is lower meniscus, and for colored solution we need to take the upper meniscus. Still one drop of water we need to pour. I think you all can see the lower meniscus reading. One drop should be poured down, after which I need to mix very well, right? So Anna, can we have a dropper, Anna, so that 1 to 2 drops of water can be directly poured? But generally what I advise to children is, still here you can pour water so generously, after which you can make use of pipette, so that you won't be facing any trouble. You can see still pellets, one pellet is lying down. one pellet is lying down, which is left undissolved. Now after making up the water, we need to mix it very well. Okay?
Correct.
Yes, Anna. Yes, Anna. So I am going to close it, and we are supposed to mix it. Hold like this and upside down. Actually, I am holding mobile in one hand, so in this way I am showing you. This is the standard solution of sodium hydroxide. Okay, so whenever you see the term standard, then you are supposed to do it in the standard flask. For a standard solution, you know the amount as well as the volume. So W by V is known to you. So this is our digital DONA, that is digital balance, with the use of which we have weighed the chemicals. Okay? Yes, children. Yeah, children, we are going to start the second experiment, which is nothing but preparation of sodium carbonate. Okay, this is a standard solution, so we are going to prepare standard solution of sodium carbonate. For that, we are going to start the experiment. We have kept the watch glass there and the reading is measured as 0. Now we can add sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate to be added is 2.32. So to 1.32, I am sorry, we need to add 1.32. So the reading is now 0.71. We are again adding it. It is 1.3. It is 1.38. We need only 1.32. So accordingly, we are just removing the chemicals. Okay. So now the reading is 1.32. So it is 1.32. So since it is a standard solution, what did I tell you? I need to pour the watch glass content to the standard flask. Already the standard flask with the funnel is ready. So I am going to pour it. So but some particles are still sticking to it. So what should I do? I need to just wash it by means of watch glass. Let me off this. Now I'm just so with the distilled water, we are trying to wash the contents which is sticking in the watch glass. So I'm done with my washing. So you can see the watch glass is clear. Now you are able to see that some particles are still sticking in the stem of the funnel. So we need to rinse the funnel too nicely with water. Yes, so my funnel is also now clean. So I have just removed the funnel. I have washed my funnel 1 or 2 times. So my funnel is also clean now. Okay. So now look at the standard flask. Since this is 100 ml standard flask, hope you all can see some particles which are still lying, which are not dissolved. So I am just dissolving it. You can see the mark here. So I need to pour water till that mark. Hope you all remember like how we reconstitute antibiotic. In the same way I have to make up the water, right? So I am just mixing the sodium carbonate with water. Why I called this as standard solution? Because I know its weight and I know the water amount also. So I know my W and I know my B2. So I am just pouring the wash bottle's distilled water such that I need to go till the mark of it. Okay, I need to go till the mark of it. So I have told you till the round shape you can pour so generously, no problem at all, because the mark is up. But once you reached the down portion, I can just use my pipette to make up the volume. Since it is a colorless solution, what I should do? Yes, so I am going to take a pipette to make up the volume till here, right? Yes. So I don't want to take risk, because if I add 1 or 2 drops little extra, then my entire reading will be a problem. So I have taken conical flask here. I have taken a pipette here, and I am just keeping it in the tip, and I am trying to make up the volume. You can see the amount, it is coming up. So since it is water, I am supposed to see the lower meniscus, right? Yeah. Very less I have to add. After adding, I need to mix it very well, right? So I am just putting out some solution. I am just pouring it in the side. Yes, I have reached the correct amount. So preparation of sodium hydroxide was done in the previous video, and this is a video on sodium carbonate where I have mixed it with the lower meniscus, and I need to mix it up and down so that any undissolved particles, if there, they will be dissolved very nicely. So once the solution is ready, you need to label it. So this is nothing but standard solution of sodium carbonate. Okay children.